Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Take a moment to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So we are finishing out the year, and of course in this video, let's take a look at some of the best eclectic rooms of 2022. Now, an eclectic home decor style is not everyone's cup of tea. I feel like we've debated that a lot on this channel. Some people love it and some people love to hate it. But wherever you stand, you can appreciate this really gorgeous, colorful, bold, vibrant, energetic home decor style. Some of you have told me in the comment section that you have had eclectic rooms for years and years. Some of you watched the video and said, oh my gosh, I have an eclectic room and I didn't even know it. I just filled it with things that made me happy. No matter where you stand, this video is going to give you some great eclectic home decor magic. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna stop rambling, let you watch the video, and I will pop in at the end. Okay, so I lied. I'm gonna pop in right now. I love this room. It's small, yet it's colorful. It's warm. It just engulfs you in this big, colorful hug, as well as this room. Very neutral, black and white, but yet I love it. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.